Mr. Miller interview joke artist. Serious artist for the year. Artist for the year and the rise. Saying entertainment report, Anthony Miller, Proghres. Look up for that.
When I look back to where I was 4 years ago to where I am now, I say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
But big tune.
Thank you, Father God.
Miller, where's what I told you?
So peeps, you know I am a lover of dancehall and I consider myself to be a student of the music. I might not know it inside out or in depth as many persons do, but I think may have a fair enough understanding and idea of what makes an artist a good artist and a song a good song. And I have learned down the years that in Jamaica's music on a whole, negativity tend to be the thing that does well, and positive uplifting music generally tend to get a fight, or it is held down for a long time until them can't hold it down no longer.
If you don't get fighting a message, for them fighters, so we get straight, so we get straight. Oh, you level it. We are singing the chorus one more time.
The thing about it is, peeps, violence and sex sells. We know that. You understand what I say? And at the end of the day, the artists them a work and them will tell us say what the people them want, them a give. And the artists them again will tell you that here we go on. You see, if there wasn't a market for my music, then it could not do well. So me will keep on providing what the market demands until there is no more demand. But me I say at the end of the day, you see the disc jockeys, you see the dancehall selectors, they are part of the biggest reasons for this issue, because they keep feeding people. And look at, you see, anything you keep giving people, them are gonna accept it. So if you as a disc jock decide say you're gonna start giving people them some music with well written, uplifting content, positivity, the people them are gonna start to accept it. But we push things for the people them, and what them get every day, them accept. Saying, and we know that there are quality artists out there who are not getting the airplay, who are not getting the rotation, who are not getting the play in the dancehall space as they deserve. And I think one of those artists is the young artist called Proghres. In my opinion, he is the most promising dancehall artist, young artist in the business today.
Them kill me with negative vibes, but just a play the fool to catch the wise. So listen what them criticize. See to them are hypocrites. See the fake within them eyes. But what I see of your hand in the ear right now.
So at this point in time, my favorite track in the music space is J Island featuring Popcorn We Pray. That song is just up on a different level. That song is just of a different class. But the artist that have been meddling the most since the start of 2018 is Proghres.
Yeah, me still a take taxi. Hey, me no buy a little car, yeah, no. Oh God, me nah make that trust me. Hey, me a carry on, yo. Big love. We a work hard for the goal, cause we know say success coming for sure. Hustle and entertainment, simple music. Pray with they know. Hear me no center. Hey, I me see house for sale, and I wish me coulda buy one. A fat fence pass me pon the highway, I wonder when me a go drive one. Apply for the visa couple times and me no get it. And when me a go fly then, me take a trip down memory lane. And when me look back to where
like all the Proghres songs, you understand what I say? And if you haven't taken the opportunity to go and listen to him, search for him, listen to his work, quality, lyrically, melody, song construction, delivery, everything. And based on what I've seen of him in interviews, he seemed to be a very articulate young man, a very humble person, somebody who is very grounded and focused and know what he wants. I think one of his driving force in life is to prove his father wrong, because I think his father had told him that music no make no sense and him not gonna make no the music. So I suppose that is one of the driving force behind his music.
My father my biggest motivation, because I have to prove him wrong. So him give me the biggest drive to push forward. All when I think about to give up, I never go give up. Because of him. Because I have to show him say, alright, I'm going to make a living out of this thing.
So I will make a few recommendations of songs that you can go and check out done by Proghres that will give you insight into the talent that this young man has, the potential that he has, his lyrical artistry and delivery, and you will see that he is a complete package musically and has the potential, if the right persons are around him, if the radio disc jocks give him the time of day that he deserves, and the dancehall selectors, songs like Determined, Forever Grateful, Memory Lane, One Day, Strength, and my favorite Proghres song, Success the Near. You understand what I say? So peeps, don't take my word for it. Go do the research, give the youth a listening here, and you will realize that we still have youth in the business where have better songs than most of the top flight DJs them when I get no play. Well, him have songs that have success, but the songs that have success should have been bigger songs in terms of how much views, how much rotation, how much airplay they got. You understand? Because the youth now talk about bang out nobody head back or up on a girl or anything have to do with sex or gun in general. Them a style for the youth thing.
We moved to Kingston. I moved to Kingston to pursue the music because it's very hard from that side.
Yes.
But when I came up here, it was more difficult. It was even more difficult when I came up here. And this song was rejected from an established producer. I made this song. I was there every day bleaching on him, hoping and praying for him to record it. He didn't record it. Rejected the song. I went to Picante Music. And I sang the song, and Fire Keys was there. He plays keyboard for Kabaka Pyramid. He plays the keys, and I sing the song, and Picante was like, this song very powerful.
When I was a bit younger, I used to appreciate different things in the music. It was about the hype. You understand what I say? Young age kind of do them things that as you mature some more, as you understand the music, you start to appreciate lyrical content. You start to appreciate positivity. You start to appreciate uplifting music, and Proghres encapsulate all of that for me. You understand what I say? So peeps, this is just another one of those cases where talent is not coming to the fore and it is hype over substance. You understand what I say? But I want to take the time out for a reason with Proghres. I know more time you're probably frustrated and you hear some songs on the radio where you think no make no sense. You understand? And songs where you have where a struggle saying nah get no airplay, just go and focus, you just go and put in the work, because good music always find the ears of the people. It might not be tomorrow or next week, and the success might not be as quick as you want it to be, but it will come.
No, sometimes I feel like stopping, but I gotta keep moving. Hey, yo, I gotta win. 20 rebels of Proghres, don't stand for no losers. No, and it's the people that don't believe in me that keep me going. I know where I'm coming from, and I know where I'm going. Turn it up again, the rebels salute. Listen, I'm moving. We overcome the
Surround yourself with the right people. Keep on putting in the work. Stay true yourself. Stay true to what you believe in, and the rewards shall be great, youth.
Your genre is very positive music, inspirational music. Some
Motivational, yeah.
Yeah. So is it that you're just gonna stay with that, or what?
Yeah, man. That's the aim, because we can sing all type of songs. In the beginning, when I just started, I sing derogative music, all type of stuff. So, but
yes.
I don't find myself, like when I do them type of songs, I don't find myself like me I do something good. I don't feel appeasing about it. I don't feel nice. It don't feel like me I do music. I just feel like another man I try music.
Okay.
When I do them type of songs, you know, when people reach out and I say, youth, you saved my life. You have a person screenshot a thing and send to me. What them send to the what they call it, vlogging website. A person say, oh, Proghres, them youth, God bless, because that youth they stop me from taking my life.
Wow.
You understand? So when I see things like that, like them things, they just motivate me to keep on doing positive songs. Because
I understand how the radio industry operates. We understand how people work. We understand how money pull up in the dancehall settings work. But I appeal to the disc jocks them. I appeal to the selector them. Stop shelf the good artists them. You understand? Push the youth them things a road. See, it's not all about the money and the hype. Make the youth them when you put in the good work, eat some food, you know, man. When you lift up on the thing, man, and let go the youth them and start bench good music. When you build to, man, peeps, my God. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Yeah, me still a take taxi. Me no buy a little car yet, no. Me nah make that cross. Me mix in love, we a carry on, yo. We are work hard for the goal, cause we know say success coming for sure. Me say your progress again, yeah. And mixing lap, hey, watch again. Sure. And me see house for sale, and me wish me coulda buy one. Fat Benz pass me on the highway, I wonder when me a go drive one. Apply for the visa couple times, and me no get it. And when me a go fly then, hey, me take a trip down memory lane, me bust a smile, man. And when me look back to where I was 4 years ago to where I am now, I'm missing thank you, Father God.
The struggle is real. Now watch it now. A rapper crapper they represent for teach them. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, also make sure you subscribe. The channel is real. We come back for more.